WhatsApp has launched a new feature as WhatsApp Community, which is a very interesting feature because under one WhatsApp community, you can add up to 50 WhatsApp groups and up to 5,000 individual members. Hello friends, my name is Ankur and you are watching Trio Techies. So friends, in today's video, I'll tell you how to create community on WhatsApp. Before I start the video, let me verify the numbers that I've told you in the beginning of the video on official WhatsApp website. So this is official WhatsApp website. On this, it is written as of today when I'm making this video, as per the latest update, you can create a WhatsApp community with up to 50 groups in addition to the announcement group. You can add up to 5,000 members to the community announcement group. Alright, I'll show you what it means later on once I'll show you how to create the community. So let me very quickly take you to my WhatsApp application. As of now, this feature of WhatsApp community is only available on personal WhatsApp. It is not available on WhatsApp for business app or WhatsApp API. Alright, so this is my personal WhatsApp application. On this, I'll show you how to create community. I have already created two groups, sample 1 and sample 2, which I will be using in this particular example. In order to create the community, you need to click on this icon towards the top left corner. Once you click on this icon, you will see this page. On this page, it will show you all those communities which you are a part of already. And also you can create your own community by clicking on plus icon, which says new community. Once you click on this, you will see a page like this. On this page, you will have to give a name to your community. You need to give a description that what this community is all about, and also you can add a display picture. So in this example, I am giving this community a name as online piano classes. All right, and in description I'm not going to write much. I'll just write nurture the artist within you. All right, however, you can write a much longer description about your community. And let me also add a display picture to the community. For that, I need to click on this camera icon. As soon as I click on this, I'll have access to my gallery, and from the gallery I can choose any image. Let me choose this one. Once selected, click on done and your community will have a display picture. Once you are done with this process, you need to click on this right arrow towards the bottom right corner. As soon as you click on this, it will give you two options. One, create new group, or add existing groups. So either you can create new groups and add to this community. You can add already existing groups for which you are the admin. As soon as you click on add existing groups, you will have access to all those groups here wherein you are an admin. You can either find your group from here, or you can click on the search icon on top right corner and search for your group. So in this example, I am going to add three groups. One is sample 1, then sample 2, and I am not able to find the third one. So I will click on this search icon and search for it. My notes. Let me add the third one. Once you are done, you can add up to 50 groups in one community. Once done, click on this right arrow towards the bottom right. As soon as you click on this, it will give you a final page which will show you an announcement group and the groups that you have added to this community. Once you are done with this, you need to click on this tick mark towards the bottom right side. As soon as you click on this, your community will be created. Now, so let me show you what all things you can see in this community, what all features you have in this and how to use it. You have already added WhatsApp groups in the community here. However, if you want to add individual members, you can also do that by clicking on invite members. Okay, you remember I told you in the beginning of the video that you can add up to 5,000 individual members. So you can add them from here. Either you can send a link on WhatsApp to them and they can join your community, You can copy this link, you can share the link, or you can create a QR code and you can send that QR code to the individual members who are not the part of any WhatsApp group, but you want them to be in this particular community. All right, as soon as you do that, they should be able to join your community. So let me show you how. I have copied this link and I am going to send it to someone who is not the part of WhatsApp groups. So I am going to send the invite of the community which I had already copied and send it to this person. Okay, this is another number of mine. So I'm just doing that so that I can show you how someone who is not part of the WhatsApp group can join the community. So I'm going to my other WhatsApp wherein the link was sent. Here you see, someone who has received this invite will have to just click on join group and they should be able to join the community. Okay, you see here, this particular person is not the part of any WhatsApp group but has individually joined the community. Okay, now if you want to see who all are the part of your community, you can go to your community, click on this announcement group, go to the description of that announcement group, and you can see all those members who are a part of this. So this Bright Tutors, this is not the part of any WhatsApp group but has joined the community individually. Okay, now let me show you the importance of this announcement group. Okay, in this announcement group only you can send message, and each and every person who belongs to this community will receive that message individually. They cannot respond or reply to that message, but they will receive it as a broadcast. So which means whatever message you will send in this announcement group will be broadcasted to each and every member in this community, whether they are the part of WhatsApp groups or they have joined this community individually. Let me show you an example. Today's class has been postponed for 6 p.m. Send. Okay, as soon as I send this message has been broadcasted to everybody who is a part of this group. So let me take you to my other WhatsApp just to show how this message would look like. So here you see this, on the other WhatsApp, I have received this message from Online Piano Classes Community. Once I open this message, it says only admins can send messages, and I have received this message which says today's class has been postponed for 6 p.m. I will make a separate video in which I will cover more features about WhatsApp community. In this video, I just wanted you to know how to create a community, which I have already told, and some basic features. All right. If you have any questions about this, please do let us know in the comments section. I will make sure that I will reply to each and every comments. And if you think this video has added some value, then please do like the video, subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. So that's it for today's video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, you take care of yourself and you have a good one.